Diagnostic Trouble Codes, or DTCs, are combinations of letters and numbers that indicate where problems exist in the car's computer systems. Far from being random, these codes are carefully structured to help you quickly identify malfunctions without needing to look up definitions. Let's break down the structure of a DTC. A typical OBD2 DTC consists of 5 characters, each with a specific purpose. The first character of a DTC indicates which main system the fault occurred in. P stands for Powertrain, B for Body, C for Chassis, and U for Network Communication. The second character tells you whether the code is general or manufacturer specific. A 0 or 2 indicates a generic code used by almost all vehicles, while a 1 means it's manufacturer specific, and a 3 can be both. The third character specifies which part of the system or subsystem is having an issue. For example, 1 or 2 means fuel and air metering, 3 means ignition system, and so on. The last 2 characters identify the specific section of the system that's malfunctioning. They could be either letters or numbers. Another useful piece of information that comes with a DTC is its status, which indicates the current condition of a specific fault code in a vehicle system. OBD2 system standard statuses include confirmed, pending, and permanent. Unlike standard OBD2 DTCs, which are universally applied across all vehicles, OEM DTCs are designed by the manufacturer to provide more detailed information about issues that may be unique to their vehicles. The structure of an OEM DTC typically follows the same general format as OBD2 DTCs. The status of these codes also depends on the specific regulations set by the automaker, such as current, history, active, intermittent, and more. While this is the most typical OEM DTC structure, there are various formats depending on the manufacturer and protocol, including 2-digit, 3-digit, 3-digit with a dash, 4-digit, DTCs with only numbers, or codes that don't start with P, B, C, or U, and many more. There is additional information available in both OBD2 and OEM DTCs. This includes 2 extra characters after a dash, referred to as the failure type byte, FTB. This provides more detailed insight into the specific fault, indicating the affected system, the type of malfunction, and the severity of the issue. Each FTB represents a subtype failure, also known as a symptom, which is logically grouped into 16 categories distinguished by the first character. Understanding the structure and status of DTCs is crucial for efficient vehicle diagnostics and repair. It helps technicians quickly identify the fault area and determine the necessary steps for resolution.